Hi, thanks for joining. My name is Rob, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to use dynamic design production in Flexitive. Now, dynamic design production is a feature that allows you with a single click to automatically generate a very large number of designs with the use of a data feed that you've connected into the design. Now, to get started, we're going to need to upload that data feed to Flexitive, and to do so, we're just going to jump into the admin panel, which I've already got open over here. Now in the admin panel, you'll see there's the users, billing, and data feed section. And if you want to add a new data feed, you can always choose to either upload a new file or choose a feed from URL. Now I've already uploaded a version here, but I'm just going to upload a new one quickly. So I'll just upload a new data file, tap upload. From here, I'm going to switch this over to all files and choose this adaptive bean data feed.csv. And this is just one of the file formats we accept. You can do CSV, XML, XLS, or XLSX if you would like. Just tap next, give your design a name. So I'll call this one adaptive bean, and then give it a date, and then just tap submit. And you'll see a little green bar up here at the top letting you know that that feed's been uploaded correctly once it's been done. So from here, I'm going to use this feed in a design now. So jumping back over to Flexitive, you can see I've got adaptive bean --DDP created here. I'm just going to jump into the editor for this design. Now this is a very simple design. I haven't added animations. I've only activated one size, but everything that I'm going to do here would work exactly the same if you were to use those standard Flexitive features. So what I'm going to do is right now, all of these images and text boxes are in Flexitive via just assets that I've uploaded or text that I've added as a web font. Instead of doing that, I'm actually going to convert this coffee cup and these two pieces of text over to dynamic design elements. So I'm just going to open up the size and position panel, and at the very top of the panel, you'll see there's this dynamic design section. Now I can either make it a dynamic element, which will make it an element that is specific just to this design. Won't be able to scale across multiple designs, but it's a very good way to just kind of hook up your data feed for a single design, or you can open up this dynamic design option. If I turn that on, you'll see that the image actually disappears. And from here, I'm going to want to select a feed, so you can see the two feeds that I've uploaded. This is the one that I uploaded today, so I'll just select that there. And then a unit, and I can choose name, price, low inventory, sold out, or the image. It's just what I want in this case. And you can see that image comes in and populates that spot. I can do the same thing for this text, so I'll select it and then turn it into a dynamic design element. It's automatically going to select that feed for me because it's already been set up in this particular element, so I don't need to change anything there. I'm just going to change the unit to be for the name, which is premium roast. And then I'll just use the regular editing options for Flexitive text, so make it white and center it. Similarly, I'll do that for my price here, so I'll just set it to price $2, make the text white, and then center it. Now that's everything that I'm planning to do with this first design. And again, if you wanted to add animations, scale this to additional sizes, you could do that, but I'm just going to skip over that today just to focus really in on that dynamic design production component of the feature. So I've already saved my design. I'm just going to quickly exit the editor here and return back out to this 3-panel view. Now, if I click more now, you'll see that this new drop-down area shows up with this dynamic that's kind of gray, and then it has a generate button. And if I tap generate here, Flexitive is going to automatically create designs based on that feed that I uploaded before. So I've got my first design that's going to come out that is going to be the premium roast coffee cup, and then 2 additional designs with the exact same template layout. So there's the first design, a second design for cold brew, and now a third design for the whole beans. From here, I can actually review or edit any of these designs as I'd like. So I can select this DDP2 and you can see cold brew $4 or whole beans for a price of $12 here. That's everything I wanted to cover regarding dynamic design production today. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But otherwise, thank you so much for joining and hope you have a great day.